Hello everybody, my name is AlexK, and I'm going to ask you a quick question. Have you ever got up in the morning and you're wondering what you're going to make yourself for breakfast? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So here's some good examples of peanut butter jelly sandwiches. You've got toasted ones, you've got ones without the top bun or bread, and then you've got like regular ones. And then you've got whatever the heck these are. Don't eat those. That's not a perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So this presentation, I have 3 steps for you, super easy to make a perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Step number 1 is the bread, step number 2 is the peanut butter, and step number 3 is the jam. So what kind of bread, you may be asking, is a perfect bread for a perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich? It's very important to get not crusty bread, but soft white bread. According to Daniel Walsh from Bon Appetit, crusty bread will make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich way too dry. So what you need is like soft, gooey white bread. So that's the first step. So what I've got is right here. It's gluten-free, but it's still white bread. And yes, I'm going to make it in front of you. I'm sorry for making you hungry. All right, so after you get that, the next step, number 2, is the peanut butter. There's a couple, I know there's like a huge controversy between crunchy peanut butter and creamy peanut butter. It doesn't really matter as long as it's a 2 millimeter thick layer of peanut butter. It does not matter if it's crunchy or creamy. So while I'm getting this out, I really like Jif. I know that's the number 1 peanut butter these days. Does anybody have a peanut allergy? Okay, good. So, quick lore about peanut butter. According to John Crampner's book, Creamy and Crunchy, Peter Pan was actually the first peanut butter that was ever created, like the first peanut butter brand ever. And it kind of died out in the Great Depression when Skippy's took over, and Skippy's was the number 1 peanut butter up until recent times when Jif became the number 1. So, a little bit of lore about that. So, what you're going to do is, I know I couldn't bring a knife. Knives are preferred for peanut butter, but I've got spoons because we're in school. So you're going to take a little bit of peanut butter. You're just going to spread it. Spread it around. It has to be even. Make sure it's even and it's like approximately 2 millimeters thick. Alright, that's good enough for now. So then you've got yourself a piece of bread with peanut butter on it. So that's the step number 2. Step number 3 is not that. Oh, what happened? Oh. There we go. Step number 3 is the jam. So what kind of jam are you going to use? So a couple of good jams to use are like Smucker's, Blake's, and Good and Good. So fun fact, Jamie Smith in 2003 said that Welch's actually sold 7 times more grape jelly than strawberry jelly, making that like grape jelly is actually like America's favorite jelly, which is really weird. But I personally prefer strawberry jam. But this is the one that I'm going to use today. It's called Bon Manan. This is not a paid advertisement. This is just the one that I prefer. So I've got this right here. This is my favorite part. And so you take some of this jam, and you want to put approximately, I don't even know, just a good amount, you know. Cake it on there. And so you've got yourself a perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'll pass this around for you guys to see. There you go.
Marvelous.
Any questions?
Just 1 piece.
Sorry for making you hungry. Cool, and those are the credits.